Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're talking about this green M3. This is Shmee's car. The car is actually going back. We had it in maybe about 3-4 months ago to fit the full Remus system to it. And the car's actually going back. I'm not sure what he's buying, but it's back in today. So one, we could do a bit of camera work onto it, a bit of filming, a bit more content, and two, take the exhaust off. So when the car initially came in, it was actually in for the complete full prototype system. So this is everything from cat back. So secondary cats removed, OPS removed, and the race rear system as well. It is loud. It's very, how do we say, pre-OPF car. So it sounds more like an F series, like an F82 or an F80 M3. It sounds really good. You do get the nice sort of pops and the cracks on gear changes. It's a really decent system. Now on our M4, we've just gone half. So if I kind of walk with the car, you kind of see what we're doing. So Shmee's is replaced from here. So cats, OPFs, mid-res, axle back. On our car, we're running from here back, so we're keeping all the OPFs in place. So we can offer this system to remove the OPFs and the cats. You will need some extended harnesses, basically just to trick the ECU that you have taken the OPFs out. Now, it's up to you if you want to do that. Of course, we will sell you the system. I'm happy running the OPF back, but of course, if you want a bit more, obviously the more you're taking out the exhaust, more amplification, more noise, more sound. With this, obviously, there's no lights on the dashboard. You are full in the car. To think you've still got the OPFs in place. Tim's done, I think, nearly 3,000 miles of this system. No problems at all. Nothing to report. Absolutely perfect. No issues at all with the car. If you're using it as a daily, just try and work out what you want. We do try and encourage people to start with the axle back or maybe OPF back. And of course, it's a modular system, like I explained in the previous video. You can pick and choose what you want. Same with the tailpipe. You've got gloss black or chrome or carbon. It's the same with the exhaust. Just try and work out how far actually you want to go with and of course, what you want to do. As you can see, already a bit B-roll. It is quite aggressive with the valve open, and we just took it around the corner. It's my first sort of proper time driving it, actually with the, with the system that's actually been bedded in. When you fit a system and it's brand new, we take it off the ramp, they're always naturally louder because the boxes haven't been compressed in. Basically, the wadding, the warping inside has to be compressed. That's just doing over miles, and I was surprised. Valve closed, it's still very usable. Valve open, it's a complete animal. So, let's get it on the ramp. Unfortunately, it's going to go back to standard. Don't message us for this exhaust. It is going back to Tim. Maybe that's the idea. Maybe he's getting another M3 and M4 at a future date. I don't know, but it's his exhaust. It's going back with him, so don't message me, of course, if you want to use one. If you want a new one, information's down below. On that note, let us know what you think. Thanks a lot. So you'd just seen Shmee's car with the full system on. The next job, and actually afterwards, was this M3 X-Drive in for just the axle back. So as we were saying earlier on, modular system, full system on Shmee's, OPF and cats out. Our car has OPF back, still no engine management lights, no need for mapping or plug-in boxes. And this just has the axle back race system. So just basically from about here on the car backwards. Also interesting on this guy, he's gone for chrome tailpipe. He wanted it to look like he's actually got an exhaust on it, which is obviously perfect because obviously the factory one looks nice, obviously being in the black, but if you want something to stand out, put the chrome on it. And fair play, it looks really, really good. The second thing, he did hear my car when he was here, which has the extra res deleted. So the first thing he said, no, my other half will moan at that. So just bear that in mind when you are using these as a daily. So we're now just going to take this outside, get a few revs, valve closed, valve open, do the same drive-by as what we've just done with Shmee's car, and then so you get a bit of an idea of just the rear box or the complete full lot. Let us know down below what you think so far of this system.
you.